Boy, what up, you bloody bastards? Listen here. I was thinking, listen, I need to make a little small mod on my car, but a cheap one. So, what can you do on a Mercedes-benz that is cheap? Tough one. A little bit on eBay. I found this. Now I'm gonna put it on. It's quite simple. Let me just show you how. Okay, so I got it from eBay. It comes in a little boxy. Let's just see what's happening. Okay. Ooh, shadow light. Some Japanese stuff. LED. Okay, let's see what it looks like. These ones are a little bit more special. They stand out quite a bit. But what they do is quite special. They are small and cheap and fit in that hole. But they show the Mercedes-Benz logo in the puddle. So it's a puddle light. So see how simple it is to replace. Flat screwdriver, fairly simple. A nice flat screwdriver. Prefer to be a nice thin smooth flat one. You're gonna wanna stick it in the side if you can get it in there. Oh, once you get it in there, it's literally just a case of just pulling it out the sides. That's it. There's a clip on each side. You see the clip? It just holds it in that plastic piece there. It's a case of pulling out the wire. And that's it. Then you take your replacement, which is over here. Plug it in the same spot. And then stick it back in. Oh, that's a bit scary, but there you go. It's in. Let's just see what it looks like. And the lights go back on. So let's close the door. Ooh, there it is. There it is. So that's the logo. And there it is. Very, very simple install. And super cheap. So it's really quick to put them in and super cheap if that's what you want. I paid $100 for them on eBay. For two. I waited a month, but there you go. Nice cheap modification. Hope that was easy enough for you guys. Cheers.